In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Outlook desktop shortcut for PC. If you've ever wished you could open Outlook with a quick double-click from your desktop, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to create that shortcut using two simple methods. Use whichever one is most convenient for you. First, the Apps folder method. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. In the field that appears, type Shell Apps folder, then select OK. This opens a special folder that lists all your installed apps in one place. It's a reliable way to reach app entries even when they don't appear in the usual start folders. Scroll through the list until you find Outlook. On some systems, you'll see New Outlook instead of the classic version. Both will work the same for creating a shortcut. Once you've located it, right-click the Outlook icon and choose Create Shortcut. When Windows asks if you want to place the shortcut on the desktop, choose Yes. You can close the window, and you should now see a working Outlook shortcut on your desktop ready to launch. If you prefer, you can use the Start menu method. Open Start and type Outlook. Depending on your setup, you may see Outlook, New Outlook, or Outlook Classic. Right-click the result and choose Open File Location. This jumps you directly to the application in its folder. In the window that opens, find the Outlook application entry. Right-click it. On Windows 11, click Show More Options to expand the full Classic menu. Then select Send to, and choose Desktop, which creates the shortcut for you. At this point, the shortcut is created on your desktop, and you can double-click it to open Outlook immediately. If you don't see Outlook listed in either place, make sure the app is installed and that you're searching for the correct edition you use. New Outlook and Outlook Classic are simply two different builds. Pick the one you actually run so the shortcut opens the right app. Also, if the icon looks identical for multiple entries, hover your mouse to confirm the name before creating the shortcut. If you accidentally create the wrong one, deleting the shortcut is safe and won't remove Outlook from your PC, since it's only a pointer to the app. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the quicker access to your email.